Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful greeting card for Diwali festival, and I will share how to create this diya using iris folding technique, and also I will share how to do the decoration part, how to create the beautiful greeting card, and you can just open the card to write any extra message or special message to your dearer ones. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here I'm taking the 7 by 7 centimeter white cardstock and I'm making the template for iris folding. So I have already added 4 markings on 0.5 centimeters in all 4 sides. So I'm just joining these markings like this diagonally. So before starting with iris technique, we have to create the template, or the ready templates are also available online, but I am sharing how to create your own template. Now again on these linings I am marking at 0.5 centimeters and then joining it again. Then marking again at 0.5 centimeter, and we have to repeat this process. So just continue this till the center part. So we have reached to the center part and it should look like this. Okay, so the template is ready. Now we have to do the numbering for this so that we can use different colors according to the numbers. So I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. So the numbering is also done and template is ready. Then I'm taking this beautiful cardstock by Rest My Craft, and on back side of this I have drawn one circle which is having 7 centimeter diameter. I have created one center line on this circle. So already had these two templates of diya and the flame. So I'm just drawing these designs inside the circle, just aligning it exactly in the center and then draw the design. Now I'm taking my paper cutter and we have to precisely cut these shapes. Do it very slowly and nicely. Like this. So the diya is ready. Now similar way I will cut the flame as well. So after cutting it should look like this, and from front it will look like this. Then I'm starting with my iris folding technique. So here I'm taking some paper pieces. The height is 4 centimeters and I have divided in 1 centimeter parts. So I'm just cutting all these strips using scissor. You can also use 10 mm strips of different colors if you have, and if you don't have you can make the strips like this, and we have to fold each strip from the top like this. It gives nice finishing to the iris folding work. So this is the light blue color paper. Similarly I am taking dark blue, medium blue and purple color, so all the colors of blue tones of cool shades. Then before starting with iris folding work, we have to cut these transparent tapes ready so that we can stick it perfectly. Now taking back the cutout and the template, putting it back behind the cutout. So this is the center square and we have to align the square with the center line of the diya like this. Just align it properly, eyeball it, and then we have to secure all the ends using transparent tape so that it will not move. It's nicely secured. Then it's time to do the iris folding work. So we have to do the process from ascending order. That is, we will start with the smallest number and then we will go to the largest number. On the right side, I am adding light blue color strip starting with the smallest number, and the next number is not visible in the bottom and on the left side. So on the top left side, I am going to do the next coloring. So here I am taking light purple shade. You can use any color combination of your choice. I am taking here shades of blues, and the paper quality is having 80 GSM thickness. So securing the strip like this, and the folded part should be inside like this. So first I am covering this purple section because we cannot see any numbers on this. Then starting with this point again. So the next number is of navy blue, so adding the navy blue strip in the bottom. Then again adding light blue strip. Then adding medium blue color strip on the bottom left corner. Then light blue. Then navy blue. Then medium blue, and then purple, and we have to go on with the process till the center part. So in the same way, I am going to cover it till we reach to the center square. And I am reaching to the last portion, that is the purple strip. And then exactly to cover the center square, I have this beautiful mirror cardstock in blue color. So I am just covering this with this square cutout of mirror cardstock upside down, and secure it nicely using tape again, and securing all the strips again with the big parts of tape so that it will not move. And now I will just check it from front side. And tada, it's time to reveal it, and wow, can you see how beautiful and gorgeous the diya is looking? So pretty and perfectly the design has came out, isn't it? I'm super duper happy with the results. Now it's time to decorate the flame. So I have this template created just like in zigzag manner for the flame. So I am putting it down. And on top of this, again I am putting the Diya Design, securing all four corners. And then to decorate this, I am using yellow and orange color strips. So first I am adding yellow strip, then orange, then yellow, then orange, and so on. So the flame is also ready. Just checking, yes, it's looking very nice. So pretty. Now just removing all the tapes from four corners, and then I'm going to cut the circle shape which we have created. And this design is completely ready. Now to cover it from back side, I'm using one more white cardstock circle of the same size. Just to balance the height, I am adding two mounted pieces on the top. And since we have used the sellotape, so to secure it nicely, I'm using strong adhesive here and sticking the white cardstock circle. And the design is completely ready. Very, very beautiful. Then to decorate the diya and the flame, I am here using some ball chains in golden color, light blue color and dark blue color. So the decoration is done. Now I'm taking total 3 strips of yellow color and 4 strips of off-white color and just wrapping it around this circle and creating one ring so that we can create the outer decoration for the circle, because this is looking little incomplete and we have to do nice boundary around this. So just secure the strip from front and then we have to wrap the remaining strip around this and making big ring. Now just checking whether it is fitting perfectly or not. Yes, it is perfect. Then I'm just decorating the ring using this orange color strip. We have to just wrap it around this to make nice design. And this is done. Now I'm sticking my iris folding diya inside this. Just push it nicely inside the ring and secure it from the back side using glue. And this is done. Similar way I have created one more diya with the same procedure and same measurements. They are looking very, very pretty. Then taking the card base for my card, which measures 22 by 18 centimeters. This is having 250 GSM thickness. On top of this I am adding gold mirror cardstock. And then adding one peach color cardstock. I have kept 0.5 centimeter gap from all four sides. And then it's time to add our iris folding diya designs. So I'm putting one diya little upward and another one little downward. Just sticking it nicely using glue. like this, and then adding the sentiment Happy Diwali in the bottom. This is the beautiful die by Dress My Craft. You can also do the hand lettering. And just to make the hanging look, I am adding here stone chains on top of the each diya. And also I am randomly sticking these yellow color stones here and there just to fill the remaining gap. And the beautiful greeting card for the Diwali festival is ready, and I am just loving the results so much. You can also use the template for any design. This is readily available with you now, and just cut out whatever design you want and put it on backside and create your own iris folding projects. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.